So this is how, without cable management, this beautiful desk will look quite ugly. So in next few seconds, I'll show you how to do.
For a ticket, I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back. Moving. We all want things. Let's go. Hey. Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh.
So finally अपना setup ready हो गया. Desk looks. Cable ज़्यादा visible नहीं है. Only two cables are visible. Those are going into the power output socket. Both laptops are in vertical stand, so taking less space. So this is how it's look. Thank you for watching till the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a suggestion in the comment section, and subscribe for more.